Let's make this simple 3-in-1 stew. You will love it, trust me. This was very delicious and very easy to prepare. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes. And welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in my content, or follow for more videos. It is free. I have my tomatoes here, and then I have my ginger, garlic and onions. Okay, I also have my pepper, and I have my melon seed that is in powdered form, which is known as agushi in Ghana, or akatwa. It is also known as egusi in Nigeria. I've added some salt to that, and then I'll go ahead and mix it with the water so that I get that perfect uniform texture or uniform mixture. Okay, yes. So on the other hand, I have my jumi on fire. I'll just add my chopped onions or diced onions, anyhow you call it. We'll wait for a while. If you want to add salmon money or salted fish, you can go ahead and add it to it, but we did not add that. I'll go ahead and add the mixture we made earlier, the salt, melon seed and the water. Okay, I'll add it to it, wait for a while and fry it very well. You know, we don't want to get some running tummy, so I'm cooking it very well before we proceed. If you want to add it to your stew straight away without frying it, that is your food. Please do what you want or you like. Okay, just prepare it the way you want it. So I'll make sure I fry it very well. With this stew, we don't want the agushi to be very chunky. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stir it every minute. But if you want it very chunky, I will leave a video in the description box where I made another one very chunky and you will love it. Okay, so now I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion to this oil, whilst I remove the egusi or agushi, the fried one, from the oil. Now I waited for some few minutes and I've added my fresh tomatoes. I'll wait for a while, and this is where we've gotten to. It looks so delicious already. Please do not forget to share this video to others. Like the video, leave me a comment, and I'll be very grateful. I will add my seasoning to taste. Add any seasoning of your choice and you are good to go. Okay, now we'll wait for some few minutes and then add our cooked spinach or contombre or any green leaves that you prefer. So use anyone that you like. Okay, I am using spinach, and I will give it a stir, wait for a while, then we add the next ingredient. The spinach wasn't cooked. Okay, it was steamed. Okay, yes. Now I wait for a while and then taste it for the salt and everything is perfect. I'll go ahead and add my cooked beans. The beans has no salt in it. When I cooked the beans, I did not add salt to it. Okay, now I'll give it a gentle stir and then we will continue. Thank you so much if you are still with me, and please don't forget to subscribe. As I told you earlier, it is free. They don't take money, so please subscribe or follow. Please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and I will be very grateful. Thank you so much. Now this is how our stew is looking. So delicious. You can add your fish or anything to it, but hey, we are not going to add anything. Okay, please, the beans alone is okay, but if you want to add fish or egg or anything, can go ahead and add it. Now I've added my melon seed that we fried, and just look at that, so beautiful, so delicious. And we paired this with rice. At that time we paired it with plantains, yam, and oh my goodness, you can pair this with your eba or bankun, anything that you want to pair with this. Oh, it will go very well. Thank you so much for your time. Now after stirring, I will wait for some few minutes, and I can't wait to show you the result. This is how it looks. So beautiful, delicious, and mouth-watering. So I come your way next time. Please take good care of yourself. Love yourself first, and see you in the next one. I love you. Bye bye.